how to see your orders on ebay.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your orders on eBay easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to ebay.com and log into your account. Now go to the top corner and click on your name, then go to account settings until it take you to this page. Now all what you have to do here is go to the activity option here, click on activity, and it will take you to this page. Now on this page all what you have to do is click on the purchase history right here, and you will find your orders. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.